Hey everyone, Nate with Growers House here, and one of our suppliers stopped by recently and showed off a few of their new products, and one of them really stood out to me, and it's this vertical DE socket. If you take a look at this thing, it is probably like nothing you've ever seen before. I mean, first off, there's this huge sheath and this really funky looking socket. This thing was actually really well thought out in the way they made this. And you know, I've never seen a vertical DE socket. I think this is the first one to market, but I do remember the vertical single-ended sockets of their time. And they would hang in the garden really good for side lighting on your plants. The only issue is, well, first off, it's single-ended, so it's not as efficient as a double-ended. But second off, you know, have you ever ran into a bulb? Like in a garden, it is literally hundreds of degrees. You will burn yourself. So if you're trimming your garden, you back up a little bit, it's really a hazard in terms of like whether it's you in your garden or it could be, you know, your partners, your employees, if you're in a commercial garden. So this helps combat some of those risk issues by covering it in a sheath. And then at the same time, they actually have some pretty cool features that will help with longevity of this thing. I mean, the power cord is saved here, so it doesn't have any like really hard bends in it so that the cord will break. And this thing comes with a 3-year warranty, so you're guaranteed for it to at least work for 3 years without any issues, which, you know, with this kind of socket, I would expect it to last probably even much longer than that. There's usually not too many issues with something like this. Other than that, I mean, you can run basically any kind of bulb you want. So if you wanted to now run some of these new bulbs that are coming out, like a double-ended metal halide, 1000 watt, they even have double-ended 630 watt and 315 watt CMHs you could run in this. Just buy CMH ballast and buy the bulb, set it in, and you're good. You can have CMH side lighting in your garden, no problem. I really think that a lot of people are going to be interested in using this in those gardens where, you know, you're really restricted in plant count. So you have to make sure you can grow the biggest plants possible. Or if you're restricted in square footage and you're trying to get as much light to your plants as possible, this is probably one of the most effective, safest, and efficient ways, because you're able to hit those secondary and tertiary buds and flowers. Whereas, you know, if you just have top lighting, all you're really getting is that canopy, and a lot of times you're lollipopping the plant, even though the plant is focusing its growth on growing vertically. So by adding that side lighting, you're really able to maximize the efficiency of your plants and make sure that you get the maximum, like really the biggest yield you possibly can, and which is the most important part. So why don't we take this apart, because I really want to show you some of the unique ways that this is put together and some of the thought that went into some of these patent pending products. So to start out, first I want to unscrew this little nut here, which holds it together. So I just easily unscrew that, set it down here on the table, and then I found the easiest way to get this guy out is to set it straight up, twist to unlock on the top, and then slowly bring up the lamp. So this is glass, the lamp is glass, so I just want to make sure I'm careful here, but I haven't ran into any issues. So once I get that out, I set this aside, and this is where some of that unique engineering comes in. So to take the lamp out, it's very similar to other double-ended fixtures. First, you push out the sockets, but next, what you want to do is twist the lamp, it looks like about 45 degrees, and then pull it out. So now to put the lamp in, same course, it's not too bad. You just push the lamp in on each side, set it, twist it, and lock each side into place, and that's it. So that's it in a nutshell. I mean, this thing is really cool because you get it, there's no assembly required. You can throw a lamp into it instantly, and with this borosilicate glass on the outside, it's really safe to use. So I think for those who are really limited in plant count, looking to maximize the yield out of each plant, or those making sure that they want to get, you know, a vertical garden totally lit up from ceiling to floor, this is going to be a great option, especially for those looking for their wider spectrums and using CMH lamps or metal halide, 6Ks maybe inside of them. That's it, guys. The GrowLogic Vertical DE, you can get it at Growers House. And other than that, happy growing.